Welcome back to Beautyistic, your go-to channel for all things beauty and self-expression. Today, we're diving into the world of wig installation with the Dolahair Lace Wig Glue Kit. This kit promises a strong hold, waterproof performance, and an invisible bond, making it a compelling option for anyone looking to secure their lace wigs. The Dolahair Lace Wig Install Kit includes essential components designed to make your wig installation process seamless. At its heart is the lace glue, formulated specifically for lace front wigs, ensuring your wig stays put through any activity. The glue is marketed as waterproof, which is particularly appealing for those in humid climates or for individuals who enjoy a bit of swimming or sweating it out at the gym. The kit's promise of an invisible bond means you won't have to worry about visible glue lines ruining your flawless look. Now let's talk about my personal experience using this kit. Setting it up was straightforward. I appreciated how easy it was to follow the instructions provided. Applying the glue felt intuitive, and I loved that it had a nice consistency, not too thick yet not runny, allowing for precise application. Once I applied the glue and positioned my lace wig, I was pleasantly surprised at how quickly it dried. When it comes to performance, this glue really delivers. I wore my wig throughout a busy day, including a workout session, and I was thrilled to see that it held up beautifully. No lifting, no sliding, just a secure fit. The waterproof feature definitely lived up to its claim, providing peace of mind during my activities. However, like any product, the Dolahair Lace Wig Glue Kit has its pros and cons. On the plus side, the strong hold and waterproof capabilities are standout features. The glue dries clear, contributing to that desired invisible bond. On the downside, if you have sensitive skin, you might want to do a patch test first, as some users have reported mild irritation. In comparing the Dolahair kit to similar products on the market, it stands out for its balance of affordability and performance. Other popular options like the Walker Tape or Ghost Bond might offer similar features, but often come at a higher price point. If you're on a budget, this kit provides excellent value without skimping on quality. Speaking of value, the Dolahair Lace Wig Glue Kit is reasonably priced for what you receive. The quality of the glue, combined with the performance, makes it worth the investment. The packaging is also user-friendly, ensuring you have everything you need at your fingertips. In terms of build quality, the adhesive feels robust, and I didn't experience any issues with peeling or flaking throughout the day. The user-friendly design really enhances the experience. I didn't struggle with complicated steps or tools. It's designed with the everyday user in mind, making it accessible to both beginners and seasoned wig wearers. Customer support also plays a role in the overall experience. I reached out with a few questions about the product, and the response time was impressive. The representatives were friendly and knowledgeable, which added to my positive impression of the brand. Real-world testing revealed that this glue stands the test of time. Wearing it for several hours showed no signs of wear or lifting. It's reliable for daily use, and many users have reported satisfactory long-term results. As of now, there haven't been any major updates or changes to the product since my initial review, but staying up to date with any new releases or formulations is always a good idea. To wrap it all up, I would say that the Dolahair Lace Wig Glue Kit is a solid investment for anyone looking to secure their lace wig effectively. I wholeheartedly recommend it, especially for those who are new to wig wearing or want a reliable adhesive that won't break the bank. It's best suited for individuals who prioritize both performance and affordability in their beauty routine. Before I close, if you're enjoying this review, remember to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to support our channel. Your engagement helps us bring more fantastic content like this to you. Thank you for watching. You can find the link to the Dolahair Lace Wig Glue Kit in the description below. Feel free to drop your questions or share your experiences with this product in the comments. I'd love to hear what you think.